sa kuot. Di ako nagsabi nga, nire-read ko mga. Okay, game time, third quarter.
Ayun, dalawa na, abay isa na, isang foul.
Gimo, dribbling the ball. Ganap ng mapasahan. Pasa kay Joel. Joel, dribbling the ball, LC.
8 seconds.
8 seconds shot clock. 5. Okay, good. Rebound by Rapi. Rapi to Iman. Iman dribbling the ball. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Joel. LC dribbling the ball. Masok. Turnover. Rapi. Oh! Good! Good!
Pati ako nalito dun ah.
Good, good.
Kaya hindi niya binigay.
Turnover. Okay, play. 24 seconds at clock reset. Gimo, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Joel. Jumper. Wala pa rin.
Niluluwa.
Marlon dribbling the ball. Atake. Wala. LC.
Foul.
Foul. Counted.
Counted?
Counted yun. Continuation. Spill continuation.
Foul na lang.
Ready. Set. Bonus throw. Wala. Rebound by Bonsai.
Rebound din.
Marlon. Pasok. 24-39. 15 points lead by Blue. LC. Waris. Foul. Play. 14 seconds shot clock. Foul. Counted.
Sino? Time out! Wala.
Wala. Shot clock yun. Eh, pumasok eh.
Oh, mawalang galang na oh. Tabi kayo sa view. Ay nako.
Counted. Wala doon time out.
Baliktad na ang
24-42, baliktad ang litra. Rapi po 2. Wendell rebound. Oy, pinasa kay Bonsai. Huwag mo kasing siwagawan Bonsai. Umira. 3. Score 27-42. Lamang ang 42 Blue. LC. 10 second shot clock. Joel jumper pasok.
Shooter pala si
Bonsai
Joel.
dribbling the ball. Rapi Prades. Pumasok. Counted. Five minutes and 45 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Waris. Wala. Rebound by Marlon. To Eman. Wala. Rebound by LC. LC to go. Gimo. Hindi na ako magsasabi. Joel to LC. LC jumper. Wala. Foul. Side free throw. Side throw. 14 seconds shot clock. Game ball. LC. 4 minutes and 57 seconds and 9 seconds shot clock. Waris. Waris to Marlon. Tumira ng 3. LC pasok. 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
47, 29.
47, 27.
29.
29 die. Counted, Marlon. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. 10-second shot clock. 6, 4, Mara. Wala.
Malas. Maalat talaga.
Dapat tayo naglaban ngayon eh. Naubos. Eman.
Oo.
Oops. Eman. Marlon. Counted. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Third quarter, period 3.
33, 49.
33-49. 16-point lead. Joel tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Marlon. Marlon dribbling the ball. Diretso pasok. Gimo dribbling the ball. No comments. 10-second shot clock. 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Counted. 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Nabol na?
37, 49.
Ah?
37, 49.
37.49. Lamang ang 49.
Yosin na lang.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 8-second shot clock. Counted. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Eman for 3, pasok. 3. 40-51. Score. Kunti na lang.
Dahan-dahan ang tinipa.
Wala. Rebound by Joel. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bonsai. Eman. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Board lang din naman. Wala. Line ball.
Line ball din. Kita nga ito sa video.
57 seconds. 55 seconds.
Replay mo na lang. 8:50.
Eman for 3. Pasok. 8 na lang.
43, 51.
43-51.
Malapit na.
Malapit na.
Walo ba yun? Galing mo sa mata.
Wala. Counted. 20 seconds. 17. 15. 13. 10. 9. Pasok. 6. 5. 4. 3.
Oh.
Foul, foul. 1 point.
Set eh.
Counted.
Kalas.
Okay. Scoreboard. Kaway, Papa. Yeah.
Come on, yeah.
Bongbong. Day off natin ha.
Oo.
Bad buddy.
Alam na din.
Alam na.
Walang tinda.